How to activate Southwest Rapid Rewards credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate Southwest Rapid Rewards credit card. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your web browser and search for Southwest Rapid Rewards credit card. After you search for that, you'll find the Southwest website right here, Rapid Rewards. So head over to this website. And after you're on Southwest's website, you will then need to log in into your credit card. So after you're here, if you see a login button, tap on login. Now let me see Rapid Rewards. So there we can see the cards and stuff. But okay, so here you will see the login button. Tap on login. Now all you have to do is just use your account number or username and then password to log in. After you finally log in into your account, you'll find an option right here where you can find your cards. So if you see your cards, you can simply tap on that. Or if you see a button called activation, tap on that. It's there can be either one. So tap on activate, and after you tap on activate, just type in your card number and all the details that they ask. Just give the details and your card will get activated after the verification is done. And that's basically it, guys. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.